this video, we're doing a 1 hour speed run river clean. Why? Because the week this video goes out, not only is World Environment Day being celebrated, but also the big paddle cleanup is underway. So we're going to do our bit, and instead of looking for treasure and clearing up everything else along the way, we're going to see how much junk we can get out, and if we find anything interesting along the way, well, that's just another bonus. Okay, first up. Bibble. Whoop. Oh, close. Oh my god. Part of the bowl. Bibble. Oh. Good. Oh. Jammed up. My noodles. Another fish in there. Got it. Yes. Good up. Polish up. Nail polish. Ripple. Great. Some of you eagle-eyed viewers out there will realise the timer has not gotten down to 0, and for very good reason. But before we get into that, if you are watching this video and get the urge to do the same, then I would recommend checking out Paddle UK's website. Even if you're not in UK, they've got some really handy advice on things like equipment to have and risk assessing areas. Speaking of which, my biggest advice is don't be like me, safety in numbers. Find or create yourself a group to take part in, and then hopefully things like this won't happen. Alright. Alright.
Saviour.
Huh?
I'll save you.
I'm alright.
No, I'll put you over my shoulder and take you home.
I'm okay. Thank you for the offer.
Put my ankle. Oh, this is smooth outside.
I know, it was my own fault really. How dare I leave the house bearing my ankles? But ladies, screw Louboutins, you need to get yourself a pair of water shoes. Nah, those guys were harmless really. They were higher than Blackpool Tower. Nevertheless, it was time to wrap it up. Behold my garden of trash. Not bad for an hour's work. But there is something amongst all this rubbish that I haven't shown you yet. Ooh. No jewellery for me. Pretty. Real pearls, I do hope so. Yeah, so turns out it was, and then I did this. Whoop! Ah, it's fine, it survived. Right, apologies, my camera is not built for close-ups, but there are a few ways to tell real pearls from fakes. One of it is when holding it, there is a nice bit of weight to it. Second one, pearls are naturally odd shapes. They're not uniformed and definitely don't have a seam running through them. The third one, you can scrape one against your tooth and you can feel the graininess. Obviously I did not do that on this occasion. The pendant clasp also has 18 kgp stamped on it, meaning 18 karat gold plated, but I'm a bit confused with that one because it hasn't got a gold tone to it. Going back to our junk of plenty, there was one more piece that stood out to me earlier in the day, and I had to do a little bit more digging on it. this little tiny jar. When I first saw it, it looked too pretty just to be junk. So I tried Google Lensing it first off, but it was so dirty that it just thought it was made of pewter. So I spent a long time like cleaning it up and getting all the dirt from all the little ridges out. And then Google Lens told me it was for meat paste, so that went into recycling. So apart from a couple of the fishing lures that will get reused, that is pretty much it. That is all the junk one woman can get out of the river in 1 hour. For me, the biggest positive from doing all of this is for the wildlife. All the clips showing now are from that same stretch of river all the rubbish came out of, and the sad part is that it was only about a 40-metre stretch. Nevertheless, we did good today. If you did enjoy the video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe if you want to see more.